Hello crafters, welcome to Craft Hits. This is Adam and today I'm going to be using my wood burner to make Tales from the Sonic franchise. Let me know if you enjoy by leaving a like and hitting that subscribe button. Also, if you want to know what tools I use in my videos, check out my affiliate links down in the description below. Hope you enjoy and thank you.
No way.
Thanks for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed and don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps and it's completely free. I really appreciate all your support. If you want to check out other videos just like this one, I do have a wood burning playlist. Also check out our store at dhits.com. We sell all kinds of merchandise. Use the code CRAFTHITS to get 10% off. The link is in the description below. As always, hope you have a wonderful day.